So hi guys, welcome to my videos. So yesterday there was snowfall, heavy snowfall, and you can see what's happening in front of my house. It's full of snow, and now I'm gonna clean it after so long. Like this is the first time in the season that I'm gonna do it, and it has been very heavy everywhere. I have to clean all the way here. It's too bad. uh, I really hate this job, but if you live in Canada you have to do it. So if you are planning to come to Canada and if you own a house, be ready to do tasks like this. If you live in an apartment building or somewhere like condominium, maybe they have these services covered, so you don't have to be bothered. Like in my previous stay I did not have to, but now here I have to. I'm gonna do heavy work. So wish me all the best guys. Thanks for watching.